Hello, I'm Vivekanand Kushwaha from batch CS19C, and this is my project of 5th sem Android application development that I'm going to show you. This application is designed for all the screen sizes for tablet, mobile, and the watchOS, which I'll show you later on. So this is the server of this applications made using Node.js, and this is the query applications, which I'll show you later on again. And this is the client application, and this is the admin dashboard, and this is the code for the admin dashboard, which is made using the React. So to talk about the architecture, MVC pattern is used in this applications. So if I'll show you. This is the provider, and this is used for the state management, and this is the screens that is used, and providers are the controller, and these are the views. So I have used shared preferences for the data persistence. DataX is also used for the context management or the navigations, and so let me just run this application. So this application is installing it, as you can see here. So this is installed right now. So I'm currently logged in with these accounts. Let me log out and register. Log in. So I'm logged in, and this is the home page of this application. I can just refresh it, and this is the category sections, and this is the first section. So this is the bundles. I can see all of the bundles here, and these are the popular products that are shown here. So if I can just add this products from here, and if you go to here, this is the cart page, and I can proceed to checkout. So I can add a new address. This is the home address. I'll add this. I can add another address as well. I can choose the time when I want to get this product delivered, and this is the time. I have two options to either choose from the cash on delivery or the debit card. If I place order, it's saying me to select the address, so I'll select, and I will just cash on delivery, and I will proceed to place order. So this order is placed. I got the notification, and as you can see here, this I got the notification in this watchOS as well, and I got the email too. So if I open this, I can see the preview of this email. I will open in this, so this email will be open. So I'll go home, and this is the search page where the user can search. I'll search for page. And all the product related to the vegetarian will be available. I can filter, and this 24 available zone if there is no product available. I can even filter this, like if I go to here, I can filter this from this price, popularity, or the price. I can filter this with the categories. I'll apply this, and this will be shown here. So this is the order that is recently placed, and this is the profile management. I can pick the image from here. So I'll just click this. This image is uploaded to the Firebase for I have used a Firebase bucket. I can update the address. I can update the phone number. If I'll go to into this too, this will be updated. So various sensors are used in these applications. Like if I enable this fingerprint, then the fingerprint, I can enable the fingerprint. This is the physical device that I have connected with this right now. So if I'll just click on the enable fingerprint, this authentication is opened, and I can just tap in, and this fingerprint is successfully added. I can even disable this, and if I tap it, the fingerprint is disabled successfully. So let me just enable this and log out. So for logout, I will show you if I select this one, then this logout will open, and I can just log out this will be logout. So as you can see here, this login using fingerprint, and right now again, if I will just click this, I can log in and with the fingerprint, and if I will again go to logout page, and right now if I'm logged out, then if I select this one, then this authentication dialog will be open. If I cancel it, nothing will happen, and if I will just select this one, then again if I will just authenticate this, so this will be logged in. So again, if I'll go to this, and this is enable auto dark mode. So the light sensor is used in this, and for the sake, the accelerometer sensor is used. So if I'll show you this light sensor, so if I'll enable this, then this right now this is the daytime. That's why it's showing the light mode. And if I'll just go here, then yes. So as you can see here, this home page. So for accelerometer, for the use of proximity sensor, I have just opened. If I'll just tab it from here, like if I'll just go here, then this refresh. This will refresh this application. And if as for the light sensor, if I'll show you this, if I'll just hover over here, then this the light will be the theme will change to dark mode. So this is the feature of this application. And if I'll disable this, it won't happen anything. So if I disable this, nothing will happen. Again, if I'll enable this, this will convert to light to dark, and the dark to light. So I can switch to dark mode manually. Use this application in dark mode. So this is the dark mode of this applications. All the things are shown perfectly. This is the order section. I can see the orders that I have. So for this is right now ordered, and if the admin plays this, if the admin goes to orders, and this is the recent order that is done by this client, and if I'll just assign this to courier, then let me just log in using the courier account. So this is the courier app. I'm currently logged in, but again I can log out from here, and the fingerprint is enabled, so I can just log in from fingerprint. So yes, so this is the gyroscope sensor used in these applications. If I go maneuver this application, then this will be shown. So this is the orders, and for refreshing this, again I can refresh this from here, and this is the recent order. I can view this order. So this is done by this is the information, and this application is also, like if I'll show you the watchOS, this is the Flutter courier applications. And again, if I refresh this, this is the same things that is shown here. So this is also responsive and it's showing here in this. I can view order, I can see all the details here. I can just, this is the order is delivered, but if I'll go to this active, if I'll view order, then this will ask me to verify. I can add the verification code, or I can just scan this, but this doesn't have camera right now, so I'll just scan it from here. So for that, if I'll go here, then this camera will open. So to show the QR code, I'll just open the another emulator. So I'll go to order details, and this is the QR code. And yeah, as you can see here, this order got delivered automatically. This was shown here in this. And if I'll just order this again, so I'll order from this tablet mode. So this is all responsive. I'll show you this tablet is all responsive. This is all the search are shown correctly. So if I go to order, this is my past order. So this is my application. If I'll go home, I can see the products from here as well. So this order, I can add to cart. I'll go to the cart, check out. I can check out from there. So this is responsive and showing in the another the time is showing the date is also showing correctly. This time I'll pay with credit card. So for that, I'll need to add this credit card number. So I'll just pay this. The processing is done. So this order is placed now. I have notification. So I'll go back home, and then we'll need to assign this order. This is a new order. You can update this status. I can add the courier. So this is the dashboards. I can add the product from here, and I can add the bundles which are shown here. These are the bundles that I can add from here. And after that, this is category sections. You can add this category. You can add coupons, orders. You can manage the orders. If the users will order, then I can assign the courier, and that this order will be shown on that courier interface. So this is the product request. I will show you later on this, and these are the user management, and these are the chats that I will show later. So there are many other features in this application. For example, if I'll go to this user app, so the user can chat with the live chat with the customer support. So if I'll do hi, if I'll go in the chat, then this user will say hi. So this is live. You don't need to refresh it or anything. I can just call. So this is the call picker. If I'll go this, I can directly call this admin. I can also request for the product. I'll just submit. Okay, so let me just close this and I will run the test. As you can see here, I have done the testing of these applications. I have done integration testing, unit testing, and the widget testing. For the integration testing, I have used the inbuilt package of integration testing, and for the unit testing, I have used Mockito, and for the widget testing, I have used also the testing package that comes with the SDK. So let me run the test. As shown here, all the tests are passed successfully. So these two tests are remaining. So let me run the two. So these tests are also passed successfully. And these are the file of the testing. Now I'll show you the integration testing. So for that, I have wrote a script for running the multiple tests. So I'll execute that script. So the registration test has begun. As you can see, this test has passed successfully, and the login test has begun. As you can see here, so this test has also passed successfully. So I'll show you my GitHub. So this is my GitHub, where this is the branch for admin dashboard, and this is the client production. This is the dev branch, and this is the production branch. have required commits, and also this is the courier dev branch, and this is the courier production branch. Also, I have done merging, so I'll show you the pull request. So these are the merging that I have performed while developing the application. This is all the application. This is all the features. I can see this. I can see the images. I can see the notices with the users. I can switch to light dark. And this is the profile. I can change password. I can add the card. It will shown here. So thank you.